You know what time it is.
W-A-K-A, can you say W-A-K-A? What you say? It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time. It's Titi Waka time.
Hi. Yeah, soon as Titi Waka's time. Yep. Oh, you watch Titi Waka too? Oh, that's so good. You learn Spanish words? Oh, wow. You like the story time? And the drawing? Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friends to come and see me. Yeah. Oh, I think my friends are here again. I gotta go by. I didn't know you was here, guys. Oh my gosh. I was just talking to my friend. Oh my goodness. Do you know how to say friend in Spanish? Amiga. If it's a girl, amiga is friend in Spanish. If it's a boy, amigo. Amigo if it's a boy. Amiga if it's a girl. That's how you say friend in Spanish. Good job, guys. Now you ready to put in your thinking caps and try to guess. What am I thinking? Okay, let's see. It moves slow and it has a shell on its back. And sometimes it hides in its shell. I know you know this one, guys. Are you ready? One more time. It moves slow, has a shell on its back. Sometimes it hides inside it. You know what I'm thinking of? A turtle. I was thinking of a turtle, guys. Okay. Well now, you know what time it is? I want you to get loose before our next game. So can you get silly? Can you just get silly? Did you get silly? Did you loosen up? Are you ready now for our next game? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, guys. When I mention something and you see it pop up on your screen, give it a thumbs up. If you don't see it on your screen, thumbs down. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Do you see on your screen a turtle? Do you see a turtle on your screen right now, guys? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. Do you see on your screen glasses? Are there glasses on your screen right now? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Do you see on your screen a little boy? Do you see a little boy on your screen? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Let's try one more. Do you see on your screen a little girl? Do you see a little girl on your screen right now? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good job, guys. You do such a great job paying attention to what I say to see if it's on the screen or not. To give it a thumbs up or to give it a thumbs down. I'm so proud of you. Okay, well now, you know what time it is, right? It's time for us to burn some energy and see what can we do to burn some energy. All right, let's see. Let's jog in place and do jumping jacks. What do you think? Let's just jog in place. How about that? As fast as we can. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you go fast? Did you run energy with me? Woo! Okay. Are you ready? Because we're going to try again. We're going to... Are you ready? We're about to jog or run as fast as we can. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! With me. But boy, do I feel it. Okay, but now it's time for you to go see Titi Cindy so she can read you a great story and teach you some new words. I can't wait to hear what you learn. Can't wait to hear the story. I'll see you when you get back. Bye.
Hi, friends, amigos y amigas. Hi, Titi Waka. You know, having friends or amigos y amigas is so much fun. Can I tell you a story about a turtle and his 2 amigos? Okay, gather around, put on your listening ears, and let's listen to a story. This story is called Tomás the Turtle and the Silly Lake Day. Once upon a splishy-splashy time, in a sunny forest near a wiggly-wobbly lake, lived a turtle named Tomás. He was not just any turtle, or Tortuga, as they say in Spanish. He was the fastest slowpoke in the whole forest. Every morning, Tomás would shout, "Time to splash!" And like clockwork, his best amigos, Z the mono, monkey, and Manny the caballo, horse, would come running, or galloping, or swinging, or occasionally tripping over a pineapple. They loved their lake days, but this lake was no ordinary lake. This lake was ticklish. Yes, you heard that right. Every time someone splashed in, the lake would giggle. Hee went the lake. What was that? Manny the caballo neighed. That was the lake, amigo, giggled Z, doing backflips into the water. Tomás the Tortuga did a belly flop, which looked more like a gentle plop, and the lake burst out laughing. That tickled! Suddenly, the water started bouncing everyone up and down like jelly on a trampoline. Boing, 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 splash, kazoosh! Z ended up stuck in a tree, laughing. Manny landed with seaweed on his head, snorting. And Tomás landed perfectly on a lily pad. "I am the King Tortuga of Lake Giggly," he declared, wearing a soggy leaf crown. Then a family of ducks paddled by and started quacking a song. "3 amigos in the lake, making waves with every shake." They all danced and slipped and laughed and played until the sun started yawning. Tomás looked at his amigos and said, "Today was the silliest lake day ever." Manny neighed. "And the splashiest," Z added, "and the tickliest." And the lake whispered one last giggle. Thanks for the fun, amigos. The end. Wasn't that such a cute and silly story? They all had so much fun together, and the lake was their friend too. They all had such a great time. Do you remember from the story how to say horse in Spanish? That's one of your new Spanish words today. Horse in Spanish is caballo. Caballo. You got it! Good job! Do you remember how to say monkey in Spanish? You remembered? And you too? And you? Good job! For those who didn't remember, it's okay. You keep practicing and you keep learning. Monkey in Spanish is mono. Mono. Now go ahead. You see, you did it. It was so easy, right? Now the third word was turtle. Tortuga. Tortuga. I know that one's a little bit tricky, but I know that you can do it. Go ahead. Tortuga. Tortuga. I heard you. You said it. Good job, friends, amigos y amigas. You guys did awesome, and you sat nice and still, and you put your listening ears and listened to the story. That is great. Well, until next. Oh, what? Did I forget something? I sure did. My magic little pouch. Besitos! Those were all kisses just for you. Until next time, my friends. Bye!
Hey everybody, it's PCD. Come on! You're gonna need a piece of paper and a washable marker. And remember, you always have to ask a parent or guardian for permission anytime you want to do something like this, okay?
Okay, now while you go get the things that you need to draw with DTD, we're gonna dance. What do you think?
I love that idea!
Okay, guys, so you go get your things, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance while we wait for you to get your things. I hope you got your things, and I hope you're ready. I'll see you soon. Have fun.
Thanks, Titi Waka! Let's start!
Hey everybody, it's Titi D, and today we're going to be drawing a turtle. First, we're going to draw half of a circle for the shell. Then I'm going to close off half of my circle with a line at the bottom. I'm going to make the line at the bottom turn into a rectangle, like that. And then we can add whatever shapes we want for the shell. So I'm just gonna do some funky ones here. Wherever you like. And let's do one here. And now color those in. Next, we're gonna go ahead and draw the feet. I'm gonna do a rectangle here, a rectangle here, and then just some little bumps for his toes. Now we can give our turtle a tail, so I'm gonna do that like this. And then I'm gonna draw my turtle's head. I'm gonna draw a line to extend it out, making a circle and bringing it back. Now I'm gonna draw his eyes, which our turtle's from the side. So we're just gonna draw one eye today. A circle and color that in. Then I'm gonna, of course, give my turtle a smile. And there you have it, a turtle. Thanks for joining me, guys.
Now, before we go, you know it gotta be somebody's birthday out there today, right? So I wanna say, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. I hope you have a great day. So we're gonna sing happy birthday to you now, okay? Sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. I am so happy you came to see me today. And I hope you come and see me again, okay? Remember, I love you. Bye.
Hi kids. Hello. I'm Titi Waka.
Make sure you subscribe.
W-A-K-A. Can you say?